Hello and welcome to Interactive CAD and Tech. Today I'm just going to show you how you screenshot on or do a print screen on macOS. It's very simple, so I'm just going to bring up something to screenshot. So this is my YouTube channel. If you do like these videos and tutorials, please subscribe to my channel and I'll keep posting videos. So for example, if I wanted to just take a snapshot of the logo and the subscribe button, what I'd do is just go to the menu and find screenshot. It's normally in other, that's where it's defaulted to. So if you just click that, and then from there you select the part of the screen you want to screenshot. So for example, if I wanted to do that with my trailer, and then click capture here at the bottom, and now if I go to my desktop, press done, it should save it on the desktop. So that screenshot is now available for me to use or do whatever I want to do with it. Have you found this video helpful? If you have, please do hit subscribe, and I'll keep it up and keep posting little helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.